welcome back. Now let's make something different today. How about tomato saar? Now saar means soup. The one which I'm going to show you today is a Mangalorean recipe. It has a slight spice to it, but you'll definitely go for seconds. Let's get started. Come on.
I'm using 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes. I've just made some cuts for them to cook quicker. Now we will pressure cook these until soft. In the meanwhile, let's make the saar powder. These are 15 to 20 bedgi chilies which are very flavorful and not that spicy. You can use other dried red chilies that are not so spicy if bedgi is not available. We will roast them on medium flame until they change the color and get crispy. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's keep them aside. Using the same pan, I'll be frying the rest of the ingredients one by one. Check the description box for all the ingredient lists, measurements, and the detailed recipe. We will fry these until slightly brown. All the frying is done on medium flame. This is what we are looking for. Keep them aside. I have just wiped the same pan and will fry the black gram until golden. Don't move away as these brown quickly. This is the color we need. Remove from heat and keep it aside to cool. We will dry grind these to a fine powder. Now if you want to use this powder right away, you can roast it in oil. But if you want to store it, then dry roast them and make a powder to store them in the refrigerator. You can use this powder for a lot of other dishes that I'll be showing you soon, so stay tuned. Tomatoes are nicely cooked. Add half an inch piece of tamarind to the tomatoes. Tamarind will give a different tartness to the saar. We will blend this to a smooth consistency. Straining will discard the seeds and the skin so that we can enjoy the smooth silky saar. This is what is left behind. Adjust the thickness as per your choice. Cook this on medium flame. Season with salt and 2 tablespoons of the saar powder. You can even add more if you like. This is good enough for the quantity I am making. Bring this to a boil and garnish with coriander leaves. Let's make the tempering, which is the best part of the saar. These tempering ingredients will impart an awesome flavor to the final dish. Make sure you fry the chilies well. Pour on top of the tomato mixture and mix well. The tomato saar is ready. You can enjoy it with some steamed rice.
I'm trying to show different kinds of cuisine so that it can benefit everyone. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, then let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.